Welcome to the GaMED video series where I do a tiny game development work on video every single day. Now before I get started on today's task, allow me to check back on the recent post I made and address the comments. Some of the comments I got. So I shared yesterday's GaMED video on Reddit and Zoro Misatsu commented saying, "That's some dedication, brother." Well, thank you for the encouraging words, Zoro. Then on GameJolt on social media, I made this post of animating the silence effect. And on GameJolt specifically, I got a comment from Ninja Chico who says she looks so confused seeing 3 dots above her. Which is accurate. And then on Twitter, same post, I got a comment from Winged Hairs. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Winged Hairs. Who says, dots can seriously be so suspenseful. Yes, they can be. Unless by suspenseful you mean that they are suspended in the sky, floating in the sky. I don't know, could be double meaning. Anyways, thank you all for the comments, and now I return to being productive and working on today's task. So, need to keep clearing my throat for some reason today. Check back. Okay. For today's dialogue, it's a yawn. Sakura is yawning, basically. That's the dialogue for today. She goes, "Hua," which is basically supposed to be a yawn. I should do this beforehand. Okay. Skip. Okay, so this is the CG art. I already have it on Affinity Photo. Stop correcting me. Ignore spelling, yeah. I don't want to be corrected by my photo editor, like, this is not word processing. So, that's pretty much it. That's high quality dialogue. What if I put it in her mouth? Just for fun. And I have it be half the size, which I can in RPG Maker. That would probably look weird. Yeah, let's not do that. Delete. Okay. I'll just do this in RPG Maker directly. Let me prepare the text first. So, go to the dialogues, message window pop-up, free, remove the background, If I go this, we have the text where she goes, wow. Let's increase the size because we have a lot of space that's not being used. If I put it behind where the line break occurs, it grows bigger properly. Increase the lines and see what happens. 6. Okay. Bigger text. Wow. There's a lot of distance between the name and the dialogue. Should I keep calling this dialogue or is it monologue? There we go. Do I increase its size even more? Can I? That's not correct. Okay. Now where do I place this? Somewhere in the middle. Could be somewhere in the middle. First of all, let's save the text over here. And let me push the name a bit in the middle. See if it looks better. It does, I think. Let's move it around. So 200. Let's go with 170. Push it down a bit so it's 90. 190. That's a lot. 130. A bit to the left, I think. So it's 170. The message line has to be 6. 150. 120. 130. Does that look okay? Yep. That's... Wait. I can add... Let's add effects to the text. So we have the text. Right, so... Just make sure it's saved. Okay. STF and 6. Sort of it gives a sort of breathing effect. Let's try some other effects. That's rotating. I don't recall which number is which effect, so I'm just going to have to try different numbers and see which one fits. Six seems to be the best one, I think, but I'll check the other ones anyways. What if I go with 6 here, but 8 over here? That don't work? Why does that not work? Okay, one effect, I suppose. Wait, it could work if I did this. Yeah. Not sure if that looks good, but let's keep experimenting. I think this is the bulge effect. Let's remove this. This actually looks nice, I think. Let's go back to 13. I can't use two effects at the same time, I believe. I'll have to go into the plugin manager and make them both go together if I want to. Yeah, I'm going to go with just the 13th, not the 6th. Okay, I think this is the shockwave effect. Time to implement this in RPG Maker, but wait, it should be... does it affect the position? Yeah, no, it's good enough. Let's implement it in RPG Maker. Remove transparent. Copy paste these. Change the lines to 6. Go into values 150 and 140. Yeah, everything seems to be okay. Now I'm not going to replay this scene and test if my implementation worked or not, because this is one of the ending scenes, and I would like to try and avoid spoilers as much as possible. Not as much as possible, just no, if it's not necessary I won't, but I'm ending the video here. This is it for today. Thank you for watching, and you'll be hearing from me tomorrow.